Good morning and welcome back. I am here in Koraput. Now this particular car is showing little signs of less cooling. So I will show you some simple steps that how you can improve your AC cooling and how you can clean the AC ducts and AC inner cooling coil of your Honda City. And if you follow these steps once in every year, you will have your AC in top-notch condition until and unless there is a leakage or any damage physically. So please follow these steps. This car stays actually around 1100 to 1200 kilometers from my home. So it's not possible to maintain the car like my other car. So this car is little bit neglected, and you know आजकल का ज़माने का लड़का सब इतना सोचते नहीं है, अपने आप खुद नहीं करते हैं. दे डिपेंड मोस्टली ऑन दोस आउटसाइड पीपल. सो उसमें पैसा भी खर्च होता है ना. और इधर का सॉइल देखो, पूरा ही ऐसा रेड सॉइल टाइप है. तो सारा दिन में एक बार टायर क्लीन करने से भी ऐसा ही हो जाता है. तो चलिए, विदाउट एनी डिले, लेट मी शो यू द प्रोसेस. फॉर दिस यू नीड अ AC foam, a microfiber cloth, and nothing else. Access the inner cooling coil. Now in Honda City or in Japanese cars, these are conveniently located behind this particular globe box. Now how we will do it? Simply remove it, and there are two locks over here. This is one lock, here is another lock. Now it is very simple. Press it like this and you get access to it. Now there lies your inner cooling coil below this AC filter. To remove this AC filter, you just simply remove it. There is another lock, so you have removed it. Now remove the AC filter. Now once you remove the AC filter, look for the dirt if there is any. If it is too dirty, my suggestion will be to replace it, but here it is mostly clean, so I'll just bump this on the floor. So you see it is mostly gone. Okay, so this step is very important. Don't bang too hard because these are paper filters. If it gets torn, then you need to buy one, and getting a Honda genuine filter is bit difficult. So it is clean already. Now I will pour this foam inside. Now I fill it with foam. Press the pipe inside. Okay, so we have filled it with foam. Allow the foam to penetrate further. Okay, now I will fill all the AC duct with this particular foam. So similarly I will do to all these 4 units. So both have been filled up. The last this side.
देखो कितना डार्ट.
If some leftover is there, better give it there.
एक बॉटल में एक कार हो जाएगा.
हाँ, पूरा ही खाली कर दीजिए. सो इट्स टोटली एम्प्टी. हाँ, पूरा सो पूरा एक बॉटल एक कार के लिए. मैंने 2 लिया था, एक एल्ट्रोस के लिए, एक इसके लिए. सो दिस आर एम्प्टी. बी रेस्पॉन्सिबल, थ्रो अवे इट इन ट्रैश बिन ओनली. आई विल कीप इट हेयर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल बी टू स्टार्ट द कार एंड रन द इंजन at particular RPM, and you change all the AC directions of your car. This is very important. Now run the AC and bring the temperature to lowest possible. Now close all the vents. Increase the speed gradually. There may be a leakage in that pipe. Otherwise, foam should not drop like this. So run this like around 5 to 10 minutes so that all traces of foam gets diluted and gets transformed into water, and it drains out through your drain pipe. So this procedure is important. You can increase the RPM too.
एसी का कूल भी बढ़ गया।
हाँ, काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो गया। I can feel it very easily.
कितने दिनों के बाद करना पड़ता है?
साल में एक बार। समर के आगे आप एक बार कर लीजिए। हम ये कार को समर के आगे इसलिए नहीं कर पाए बिकॉज I couldn't reach here before the summer months. So once I could come, I did this job. So do it once in a year and definitely you will get good results. So gradually change all the modes. And increase the fan speed so that the foam dries up in the system. Already we can feel the chill effect of chillness much better than what it was before. It feels more chilled, and not only that, we can feel that the blower speed has, not the speed, actually the air throw from the blower has increased considerably. Hold for some more time. So the job is almost finished and we have increased the blower level. हाँ वो okay. So no more foam is coming out anymore. So the entire foam has dried out in the system. Now I will raise the temperature and decrease your fan speed. Now after this I will reinstall the AC filter. That is very important. And I told you, if the filter is dirty, don't forget to change the AC filter also. Oh, jaruri nahi, because I have locked those areas. It is almost dried up. Now after installing the filter, I will give a fresh start. Let us wipe all the foams. Don't worry, even if it falls on your car other areas, these are not harmful and it will keep your system. It also acts as a cleaner also, so you can use in other areas too. So don't worry if it falls in other car areas. So nothing will happen. Now how to reinstall the filter? Before installing, you see this side should be in the upward direction. So you need to insert it like this, not like this. देखो इधर एक arrow marking है, so it will be in this direction. Very simple. Just insert it. Okay. So I have successfully inserted the filter. Now don't forget to lock it. So it's locked. Here also it's mentioned which side will be in the upward direction. Okay. Now reinstall the globe box. Very simple. Just the reverse order. Okay. So this has been fitted. So everything as usual. You can see this dirty water that has come out from the AC system. So your entire AC system is clean now. So this is the simple step how you can easily clean your car AC ducts and inner cooling coil with the help of a simple foam that costs you around only 250 rupees. And do this once in a year, and you don't be fooled by AC gas top-ups or something like that, because there is no gas top up. If there is a leakage, the gas will escape the entire system. Do this procedure and in 99% of the cases your problem will be solved. If you have any questions regarding this procedure, feel free to comment in the comment section below. I am always ready to answer all your questions.
Sir,
Namaste and goodbye.